in a vast space station, Snappy the dog watched stars. He dreamed of spacewalks. But being a young pup, he had to wait. "Patience," the astronauts told him. Snappy tried to understand. One day, an alarm beeped. A small repair outside the station was needed. "Can I go?" Snappy asked eagerly. "Not yet," they said. Snappy felt disappointed but waited patiently. Weeks passed. Snappy learned about space and the station. His knowledge grew, as did his patience. Finally, the commander said, "Snappy, you're ready for a spacewalk." Snappy's first spacewalk was magical. Earth shone below, stars twinkled around. His patience had paid off. Floating in space, Snappy realized good things come to those who wait.